Hello everyone, welcome back to Tam's Classy Creations, the channel where we break down projects so that even a beginner can do it. In this video, I'm going to be making a nurse's tote for a good friend of mine. I found this graphic on Etsy. I'll put a link in the description. It's an SVG file for my Cricut. We're going to cut that out with some iron-on vinyl and attach it to my tote. These are the two vinyls I'm going to be using for my project. Now, I've never used the holographic sparkle vinyl. I want to see how it cuts with the Cricut, how it weeds. I'm going to make my design 11.5 inches wide to cut it out. Now, I'll meet you back here when I get it cut out. I've cut this graphic out with the Cricut now, and I did use the holographic setting on the Cricut. It did cut it out beautifully. It did take quite a while to weed. It wasn't that it wasn't a good cut. There's just a lot of little pieces with all the words. So I'm going to be applying this with my heat press to this tote. Now, this tote was just a purchased tote blank from Hobby Lobby. I'm back with my bag. Now I want to explain the process I did with the heat press. I used the pink. The pink is the everyday vinyl, and you want to use the heat press or your temperature at 340 degrees. So I started off with a 5-minute preheat of the bag. I did 30 seconds. I turned the bag over, and I also did another 15 seconds. It was a cool peel. Now the important thing is the holographic vinyl. I turned the temperature down to 285, and I placed that on. I did a 30-second pressed, turned the bag over again, and did an additional 13 seconds. Then I really did a cool peel on this. And what I like to do when I'm finished, I kept the temperature at 285 in case something is a little loose from, pulling off the plastic coating. I'll use a Teflon sheet, and I pressed it on for about 10 seconds. I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you thought the video was helpful, give it a big thumbs up, and remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.